Okay, hi everyone. I've got to just real quick. I think occasionally, which screen do I want? We wind up having to troubleshoot things in the model. And I don't know, probably at this point, everybody knows the YAML doesn't have everything in it that is in the model. And sometimes there's confusing things going on with layering and all of that that make it hard to troubleshoot. And so sometimes we go dig around in the database to try and look at the raw stuff, but instead now we can go into the IDE and put in a hidden parameter, and ta-da, we can see the real what's actually in the database, and can lead to help. And it works in either combined or model only mode. So that's cool, and it also can do the same thing in history. I actually did this just for history, like, I don't know, last year during Hack Week, and then I never actually got it into the product, but went and revived that branch and also adding it to the IDE. So I'm hopeful that that'll be a useful debugging tool.
Conrad, I have kind of like an insane extension to this.
Cool.
Um, would it be possible to then add a filter so that you could go into like full JSON mode and then actually pare it back to only arguments that you care about? So for example, like look at a file but only see name and description, or only see name and SQL. I don't know if that helps us or hurts us or whatever, but um like when you
I mean,
have
no,
everything.
it's an interesting thought. I mean, like a different, it'd be possible, but it would take some doing, because I
Okay,
mean,
that's
basically
that's
what we're
not
doing
worth
is
a
converting this stuff to JSON, but you could, I think, potentially write some filters for the JSON to then be filtered down.
yeah, no urgency to it. It's just sometimes you're trying to scan through like on a very specific thing, like just see everything's labels or everything's descriptions or everything's AI context or something like that. And it could be a really nice way to like look through a file in a very specific way.
Yeah, for sure. Okay, the other thing